Cut the excess catenary wire to size using the appropriate cutting tool and fit an end cap. This is the stay wire clamp 63 and is easily identified by the yellow paint mark on the body of the clamp and the solid stainless steel bail wire. The bail is best inserted prior to tightening the universal pole bracket. Locate the bail, then tighten up the bolt or banding. Insert the collar onto the bail wire. Pressing the bail wire together, insert the collar over the top. Then drop the body of the clamp through the collar, making sure that the ferrule is in the correct position, and turn it in 90 degrees. Ensure that the stay wire has a clean cut and insert as shown. Push it through the body of the clamp until it protrudes out of the reverse side, not longer than the bail wire. Finish off the top section of the termination by fitting the end cap. If height is required, or to keep the stay out of the way of cabling operations on a gallows stay, it is permissible to install the bracket and stay clamp as shown. It is permitted to fit up to 3 stays in the stay wire aperture in any direction. The EC13 earthing and bonding clamp can be used for making earth connections or bonding connections both onto insulated aerial cable or onto stay wire or bare wires. It can be fitted over insulated catenary wire. To install, insert the steel or 10 square copper wire into the enclosed side of the bonding clamp and place the open side onto the wire to be earthed or bonded. It is not necessary to strip off the insulation, as the teeth will cut through to make the contact. Tighten by using a 13mm spanner until hand tight, and you can see that the tension has actually cut through the insulation and made the contact. The bonding clamp can also be used on a stay wire, and it is fitted over in exactly the same fashion as was done on the aerial cable. Tighten in the same method using the supplied 13mm spanner. Using this method onto a stay wire guarantees approximately an 80% earth connection. The aerial cable relief clamp, or ARC number 1, is designed to fit over a bolt inside a J-hook. The body comprises of 2 plastic plates which are spring-loaded to facilitate single-handed operation. As shown, the plates are tapered and fluted to prevent stress points on the catenary wire. Installation is easily achieved by placing the clamp over the bolt and introducing the cable into the body and tightening the bolts with a suitable 13mm spanner. The ARC is suitable for inline installations and is also suitable for retrofitting into existing J-hooks. The ARC number 2 is an all-metallic suspension clamp designed to support bare or insulated catenary wire inside a J-hook. It is particularly useful on lashed cable which has become loose or broken from its stay wire. The clamp is installed as demonstrated using the bolt as the support mechanism. Raise the lashed cable into the slotted grooves at the bottom and tighten using a suitable spanner. To support the cable onto the catenary wire, use the cable abrasion protector and lash it as previously demonstrated. Approximately half a meter of cable should be used on either side of the clamp to ensure that the catenary and the cable are supported fully. Cable abrasion protectors are also used where cable needs to be protected from tree rubs. The Telenco drop wire clamp is adjustable and reusable, and the clamp is non-corrosive. The integral bail can be attached to all existing BT fittings. The clamp has the added advantage of allowing termination box to be fitted with a minimum of effort. Attach the drop wire clamp to the ring pole head or other approved fitting by the integral bail. Form a loop with the drop wire and feed it through the narrow end of the body. Put the drop wire loop around the wedge, ensuring that the drop wire is held in place by the guides, and insert the wedge into the body. The drop wire tension can be easily adjusted as shown using a suitable tool for holding the wedge in place. With the tool in place, pull the lower drop wire until the desired tension is achieved. When the tension is achieved, remove the tool, therefore ensuring that the drop wire is firmly tensioned. The drop wire jointing connection box consists of two lugs to clip the box onto the drop wire clamp, 2 doors to gain access, with each door having 2 holes, with each hole allowing access for 2 drop wires. The box is quite simply pushed onto the lugs that are on the side of the drop wire clamp.